Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, the Windows Security Center service can't be started. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click WSCSVC, open Start dword, change value data to 2. Close and restart system. Second method is open any browser. Type Windows 11 download in browser search bar. Click download Windows 11. Click download now. Select ISO file, click Next. Open Windows ISO file. Click Next. Click Accept. Select Install Windows 11 Pro and also select Keep Personal Files and Apps. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.